And this is our package. Package 1 is 6DEX brand. 6DEX brand, international brand. Gunai brand. Gunai means strong, durability, and safe. 6DEX means let fixing easy, let fixing convenient. Let us save the labor's job means fix DEX. Fix means fixing. DEX means the quick press of the computer. And this is our this factory, just located in this factory. The other two factories blocked by COVID-19, but tomorrow I will let the workers to use the mobile to do a live shows there. It's the introduction by Chinese characters. Totally we occupy in 340,000 square meters. We are high-tech company, national high-tech company. We have the production machines more than 400 pieces. We have the zinc-plated machines 10 pieces. For the electrical zinc-plated, we can reach the 40 hours to 158 hours. Hot dip, salt switch, we can reach the 1,000, 1,500 from the raw material until the package. We all manufactured ourselves. We are one of the biggest company for anchors, threaded rod, and also blanket.